Hey, we got guys to the our far left now, to that flag.
I got Trevor out there by himself right now. Easy that one book over.
Right there.
He's down there.
Yeah, let me go the other way. That was... What did they say?
I don't know.
I'm gonna try to go for the Barrett.
The motor on my gun is going to left protection. Shit! they were right there in the house. There was two of them in that doorway.
Yeah.
Me and you right here.
Yeah, that's what just happened.
Got it. Right there's the door. I'm like, dude, arms up means quit shooting. Whoever was in the house, man, pulled my arm up and you're snapping me.
That's so far to the car. How am I gonna slide across the hood?